Good morning class. After a long time, we are going to start our studies again and welcome back to you all after the summer break. I hope you all have enjoyed in your summer break and you have learned a lot of the things, studies and English, because in this summer break you have also, it has been conducted the summer camp in which you must have taken the participation in different activities. So now we are going to focus on the studies back again. So first I would like to tell you little about the holiday homework. In the holiday homework for class 8, I have given, you have been under a lockdown for the past many days. These days have been a constant roller coaster of various emotions including fear, happiness, fun, sadness, etc. And maintain a personal diary and write one diary entry every day sharing your feelings and emotion. So in this one you have to write a diary. It should include at least 450 words. You have had enough time to complete your diary entry. I hope you must have done your diary entry, and in that one you need to include what you have thought about the lockdown, what were your expectations before lockdown, when it came upon you, how did you go through the lockdown, and what kind of condition you have undergone during lockdown, and what kind of situation happened in which you felt that it is fearful, you got afraid of that thing, or you got happiness a little about in the situation of pandemic, and what kind of fun you have done during the holidays, and sadness also, because you see that many of the people have lost their lives and some people have lost their family members. So how did you feel those days? So you have to click, you have to write down, you have to type whatever you have felt during the lockdown. In the second question, you came across a newspaper article and various news reports showing various images of how nature is healing itself during this period. Okay, when humans are under the lockdown, do your bit towards nature and plant a sapling and seeds. Along with it, you realize that your physical and mental health along with your family is utmost importance in life. So you decide to make a new start every day and do various activities like helping out your mother in the daily chorus and yoga, meditation, etc. Make a comic strip of these activities showing how you spent your quarantine period. Okay, so you see that in this quarantine period, I am not talking about the quarantine of 14 days that can be experienced by a corona patient. Yes, all of them are not corona patient, I know that, but some of the people, they must have felt like they are in quarantine. So if they have felt like that they are in quarantine, obviously they must have felt very dizzy, very leisure, and that time you will feel that you should do something to make something constructive during the lockdown, and that during the lockdown you must have felt that there is something you left behind in your daily life. In your daily life, what you do, it means what you do in your daily life, it was something different. During quarantine period, it was something different, like you all are sitting at your home, nobody is needed to brush at the early, and they should not wear their uniform. They are not able, they don't need to go to the school, they don't need to do the homework at the time. So you must have felt that it is a very leisure time for you all. But at that time you must have felt that nature is healing itself. Yes, Yeah, you all know that there is a great pollution evolved by the vehicles, by the scooters, by the, it means all kind of vehicles, all kind of factories, all kind of industries. They have made a lot of pollution. They have created a lot of pollution clouds in the atmosphere. But when we see that during lockdown, because there is very sparse movement of the vehicles, nature is healing itself. Like if the corona is, it means coronavirus, if it is evolved by nature, it means if it is a natural virus, obviously it has been created by nature. That means that nature wants us to be in lockdown. Don't go anywhere, don't use vehicles, don't do the regular things, because the regular things are making our environment worse day by worse. Okay, worse day by day. So that's why I am telling you here that these all the things you have to write down, that how did the nature heal itself, how much you have damaged. Like you must have seen that your all the rivers got purified, because they were not having right now they are not longer dirty. And you could see that in Haridwar, where is the most nearest point of the outcoming of the river, you see that the water was very pure there. And you must have seen that the atmosphere is not completely full of dust and pollution. So see that the nature is healing itself during the lockdown, because we are not doing the regular activities during lockdown. So you have to complete this comic strip. Comic strip, it means you have to tell that how that nature, it means you just have to write down the article. You must have done that, I know, but I would like to see that what you have done. So you all are requested to send your holiday homework in your class groups. Class, I hope you must have listened me. What I am saying, you all have to send your articles, your work, your holiday homework in your class group. Okay? Do anyone have any doubt? Do anyone have any doubt?
We have to send it right now.
No, don't send it right now. After this class, you may send me, okay? And I hope you all have completed. Those who have not completed, kindly raise your hand so that I can see that those lazy people. Suprabha, kindly stop it. Okay. Suprabha, kindly mute yourself. Okay. So class, should I start with the next chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
So class, now we will move further, and let's move to the focus. Let's move our focus on the syllabus, because we are lagging behind the syllabus, and your upcoming exam, these chapters will come. Okay, so let's start with the second chapter of your next book, that is It So Happened. In the second chapter, its name is Children at Work. At work, children at work means those children who are working. Those children who are working. It means, I am not talking about the children. Yes, we all are the children. We, it means me, I am also a child. But I am talking about they are literally considered as children. I am talking about the child, aged between 5 to 18. That is called child. I can say, if we talk about the children, that means we are talking about the working children, the working laborers, the child labor. We are going to talk about the child very bad practice in India, not only in India, even in the further countries, in the abroad. You must have seen the children are working in the restaurants, children are working in industries, children are working in small dhabas, children are working every place, and you must have seen even some children are compelled to work in their home chores even. So why they are doing that? Because there is some kind of miserable situation with them, I can say, because no children want to work. But I think that there are some conditions that can make a child to work in that dangerous conditions. That's why in our constitution, article number 24 and 20, article number 24 and 25, they speaks that it is a right of a child to get education, and he should not be included in the work of dangerous fields like industries, like factories, like restaurants, like whatever places those who are having some dangerous work or dangerous tasks. So though in those areas the children should not be included and recruited. I am literally talking about recruitment. Okay, so child should not work in those dangerous situations, so that no child labor could happen. But you know that every rule and every law cannot be implied completely and entirely. Yeah, you know that this is completely illegal, but in some situation you will feel that no, it is if it is illegal and children are compelled to work, they should work. Because if they are in the situation that they are going to be hungry and they are going to be starved, in that situation it is much better that they are working. Okay, so you must have seen that the small children are begging you the money, the small coins from you, so then you will feel that it is very bad. If the children are working, that's okay, and if they are begging, that's not good. Okay, so we are going to talk about children at work. Those children who are working. Yes, you know that adults does work, but children don't work. But here in the situation, it is the situation of a child named Velu. There is a boy, his name is Velu. The complete story is based upon a small 11-year-old boy. His name is Velu, and he ran away from his home to get some job. And why he fled away from his home? Because he was not able to control himself. He could not handle anymore the beatings of his father. Why he got beaten up? Because his father is completely drunk, and when somebody is drunk, he always gives up his own anger to others, and those who are the soft target, they always get beaten up. You know that. That's why you see that this is the story of Velu, who is no longer interested in living with his father and family because he got beaten up by his father. So class, I hope I have given a little context about this chapter. So we'll continue this chapter tomorrow, and I hope that you must have understood a little summary of this chapter. Yes, my dear.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I think that which area written the diary entry, we have to send it when?
After this period. Yeah, this period is already over, so you can send it on my personal. No, not my personal, on your class group. It means if you are in 8th A, send it on 8th A. Okay? If you are in 8th B, kindly send it on 8th B. If you are in 8th C, kindly send it on 8th C. Okay? I hope I am very clear about it. Okay class, so I'll take you leave, and thank you everyone.